Yes, and before. Why we find that in the end? Don't bet you not. The most of the to Papa said, yeah.
Okay, so we're still here at the Agona Takoradi Road. Now, Yabahano, I think here are some of the businesses who are complaining of the dust, the constant dust that is worrying them over here at the Agona Takoradi Road. Madam Hari will be sent us on her operations and how the dust is affecting the business. Madam,
yeah.
But so now dust, I won't know how they, I won't know business for the oh one day.
Dust a higher power. Maybe Juma well dressed, but when I come here, definitely I have to cover myself up, all because I don't want to be dusty. I don't want to get sick. Dust, seriously, it's killing us, and it's bringing down business too. Because customers do come here and they complain of the dust, and because of that, transportation too has become a problem for us. The drivers don't want to ply this road again because of the dust and the traffic. So, in fact, we are losing customers and business is truly going down.
Okay, so you've mentioned the business side of effects. What about the health side of effects?
The health aspect, I can say one of our workers has started coughing now. And I don't want to bring my case here because of the dust, because I know definitely they will attract some diseases that I myself don't know about. So, most of the time, even though we put on nose masks, I'll go home with my nose, with some dust in my nose, which I don't know how it came about, even though I'm always in my nose masks and all those kind of things. But truly, the dust is killing us.
So what are your last words?
My last words will be that we really want to tell the one doing this road that he should tell the one watering the road to constantly do it for us. They water it once a day, sometimes twice a day. In the morning one, and then in the evening, leaving the afternoon schedules. So please, they should constantly be watering the road for us.
Ducks and Vundman or Dawson. Now there was a time that I know what a quan. Oh, Juliana, yes, oh, Madame Massa, ma, in zone go from Cacre. Osia Moyan Jadie, it means your money scar. Do Juliano speed down or the quay. Yeah, complain Kruma Pay also on the back as I anti she weapon by the stammer. What the sky for their peer would be say no mass.
Into Sisiano sono business recording.
Oh, business Koboko, but that's okay.
On the health side, no so a affiliate.
Oh, Midra CCI. Udra Mrepa Mutumus and Mitipa, easy. The Midufia, ISM wardrobe and a man of Kakanam war, so that what taboo a man of Kaka because of them wailing on the one I'm so with the protecting.
Because a quantum water to say no person, it's a boa bear tray and someone in Swiss Aberfaso. Boas were training up 20 year coffee 5 months what the Aberfaso say, and once a car to go switch here. Must it may know I'm going from to Massia. Padino Numiduma, it's Monimiduma.
Oh, no, say only Meduma can do one farmer.
I see, we are my water son to pay, and one no. Funtu boys funtu to buy na hanging I call. You know. Tilo inside in you. Tilo inside in I could be tried them but say Tilo no man will be on point. We are no could the same thing if you not here not the man. As a nippanaje. Smart moment ya kwande inswendi here no more can I some for 15 kula.